Welcome back in a VV studies and always be positive. So, in previous video we have discussed allotrope of carbon. We have started chapter 4, carbon and its compound. Carbon and its compound. Carbon and its compounds. So, in previous video we have discussed allotrope of carbon. There are few more allotropes of carbon. Allotropes of carbon. Okay? Allotropes of carbon. We have discussed diamond, graphite, buckminster fullerene. Today we are discussing extra one, coke, coal, charcoal, black carbon, activated carbon, activated carbon. These are more allotrope of carbons. You have to remember their name: coke, coal, charcoal, black carbon, and activated carbon. Our next topic is soaps and detergent. Soaps and detergents. Soaps and detergent. Soaps and detergent. So, soaps and detergent. Soaps are sodium. Soaps are sodium or potassium salts. Potassium salts of fatty acid. Of fatty acid or carboxylic acid. Okay, so soaps are sodium or potassium salts of fatty acid or carboxylic acid. And detergents are also known as soapless soap. Detergents are sulfonic salt. Detergent are sulfonic salt or alkyl benzene of fatty acid. Main thing you have to remember, these are sodium or potassium salt and these are sulfonic salt. Example, we have C70, H35, COO, Na. This is called sodium stearate. This is called sodium stearate. Okay, this is called sodium stearate. And here one example is RSO3 minus Na then plus. One example of soap, one example of detergent you have to remember. These are sodium or potassium salt, these are sulfonic salt. Next, soaps have a pH value. Soaps have a pH value. 9 to 8. Sorry, 9 to 10. Soap have a pH value 9 to 10. Detergents are neutral. Detergents are neutral, acidic or basic. Next, detergents are, soaps are biodegradable. Soaps are biodegradable. Means they will be easily decomposed by bacteria and fungi. Detergents are non-biodegradable. Detergents are non-biodegradable. Nowadays, biodegradable detergents are also available. Nowadays, biodegradable detergents are also available. Okay. Next, soap act only in soft water. Soaps act only in soft water. Soaps act only in soft water. Soap does not act in hard water. Detergent act in both soft as well as in hard water. Okay, as well as in hard water. Soap act only in soft water, detergent act in both soap as well as in hard water. Soaps do not pollute water or does not pollute water. जो सोप है वो वाटर पोल्यूट नहीं करते. डिटर्जेंट pollutes water. Detergents pollute water. Okay. Then soap, their cleaning action is slow. Their cleaning action is fast. Their cleaning action is fast. Their cleaning action is fast. Soaps are cheap. साबुन होते हैं वो सस्ते होते हैं. Detergents are expensive. Detergents are expensive. Soap white 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Soap does not harm the skin. Soap does not harm the skin. सोप जो है स्किन को हार्म नहीं करते. डिटर्जेंट कैन harm the skin. Detergent can harm the skin. That is they can cause dryness and irritation. This you have to remember. Soaps are sodium or potassium also fatty acid. Detergent are sulfonic salt of carboxylic acid or fatty acid. Then their cleaning action is slow, their cleaning action is fast, they have pH value 9 to 10, they are acidic, basic or neutral, they act only in soft water, they act in both soft as well as in hard water. One question is important from CBSE, HBSE and ICSE point of view, ICSE board. Why detergent are preferred over soap? Because the cleaning action of detergent is fast and detergent act also in soft water as well as in hard water. 5 to 6 differences you have to remember. Please write down this or take a screenshot. You have 20 seconds. Okay. How many points done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then soaps and detergent. Soaps and detergents. Okay. Then soaps are less effective on oily and greasy स्ट्रेन. जो सोप्स होते हैं वो ग्रीसी और ऑयली स्ट्रेन पे कम काम करते हैं. डिटर्जेंट्स कैन easily remove oily or greasy stain. Then soaps are prepared from plant and animal fat. Soaps are prepared from plant and animals. Detergents are prepared from petrochemicals. They are prepared from petrochemicals. Okay. Then soaps are soaps are used in washing and bathing. Detergents are used in heavy laundry duty. Okay, in heavy laundry duty. This you have to remember about soap and detergent. Please write down this about soap and detergent. Minimum 5 to 6 points you have to remember about soap and detergent. Okay, so next topic we are studying cleaning action of soap. Cleaning action of soap. देखिए मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है, इट कैन बी फ्रेम एज ए क्वेश्चन. एक्सप्लेन क्लीनिंग एक्शन ऑफ soap. When we apply a soap on a cloth, when we apply soap on a cloth, soap form a unique orientation. Soap form a unique orientation called missile. देखिए ध्यान से, वो मिसल बना लेते हैं. Missile has two ends. Missile has two ends. Head. Missile has two parts. आप ऐसे लिख दीजिए, missile has two parts, head and tail. Please watch on whiteboard only. I am telling you cleaning action of soap in a very unique way. This is happening when we apply soap on a cloth. This is a unique structure called missile. या आप कितने भी बना सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है कि आपने इतने गिन के ही बनाने हैं. Na plus ये जो है आपकी, इसे बोलते हैं डर्ट. क्या बोलते हैं? डर्ट. ये जो है, ये है हमारा मिसल फॉर्मेशन. तो ध्यान दीजिए, एक जो है आपको ये हेड और टेल बाहर निकाल के दिखाना है, हेड और टेल। सुन लीजिए ध्यान से, हमारे पास क्या है, ये हमारे पास हेड है नंबर 1, एंड देन ये हमारे पास क्या है, टेल। सेकेंडली इसे हम बोलते हैं हाइड्रोफोबिक, हाइड्रोफोबिक। इसे जो है हम बोलते हैं हाइड्रोफिलिक, हाइड्रोफिलिक। इतना कुछ आपको हर बुक में अवेलेबल होगा। एक्स्ट्रा क्या है, इसे हम बोलते हैं हाइड्रोफोबिक मीन्स वाटर रिपेलेंट, वाटर हीटर, वाटर हीटर कह दीजिए, ओके। एंड हाइड्रोफिलिक मतलब वाटर लविंग, वो हम लोग नीचे लिख देते हैं, नीचे लिख देते हैं वो वाला हाइड्रोफोबिक। देन ये हमारा हो जाएगा लायोफिलिक, लायोफिलिक, और ये हमारा हो जाएगा लायोफोबिक, लायोफोबिक। देन दिस टेल इज non-polar, non-polar, and this head is polar. These things you have to remember. अब बात सुन लीजिए ध्यान से। हाइड्रो का मतलब होता है वाटर और फिलिक का मतलब होता है लविंग। हाइड्रो मीन्स वाटर एंड फिलिक मीन्स लविंग। लायो मीन्स फैट एंड फिलिक मीन्स लविंग। इस सारे को हमने मिसल बोलना है। डर्ट इज कलेक्टेड इन सेंटर ऑफ मिसल। ये जो हमारा है ये वाटर लविंग है, वाटर लविंग, और ये जो है हमारा टेल ये है फैट लविंग। ये फैट को प्यार करता है। आपके क्लोथ पे डर्ट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जो होगी वो ऑयल होगी, ऑयल हो गया, ग्रीस हो गया। आप सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हैं, दही आपके कपड़ों पे लग गया, वो हमारी फैट है। चाय गिर गई, मिल्क में फैट होता है, बटर गिर गया, कोई आप वेजिटेबल खा रहे हैं उसके अंदर भी जो तड़का लगता है वो घी में लगता है। इसके अलावा अपनी बॉडी पे स्वेट एंड सेबेशियस ग्लैंड होते हैं। कफ और कॉलर जो होते हैं वो हमारे काफी मैले होते हैं। दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ स्वेट एंड सेबेशियस ग्लैंड। मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम अपनी बॉडी में 95% ऑयल होगा एज अ डर्ट। जो डर्ट जो है इसके सेंटर में जो है कलेक्ट हो जाती है मिसल के। ये वाला पार्ट जो है वाटर लविंग है, ये वाला पार्ट जो है फैट लविंग, फैट लविंग है। अब ये जो डर्ट है, ये जो डर्ट है, ये जो सोप का टेल वाला पार्ट है वो उसको खींच लेगा। हाउ यू विल राइट, एज द डर्ट इज कलेक्टेड इन सेंटर ऑफ मिसल, द डर्ट इज पुल्ड बाय लायोफिलिक पार्ट ऑफ सोप। व्हिच पार्ट? लायोफिलिक पार्ट ऑफ सोप, ड्यू टू आयनाइन रिपल्शन। Na+ एक दूसरे को रिपेल करेंगे और आपकी जो डर्ट है वो प्रेसिपिटेट नहीं होगी और कपड़ा आपका क्या हो जाएगा, साफ। यहाँ पे हम लोग इसका लिटरल मतलब लिख रहे हैं, क्या है हमारे पास, इसके नीचे लिख देते हैं हाइड्रो मीन्स हाइड्रो वाटर फिलिक लविंग, फिलिक मीन्स लविंग। देन हाइड्रो वाटर, हाइड्रो मीन्स water, and phobic means frightened, frightened, frightened। आप इतना लिख सकते हैं फ्राइटन, डरा हुआ जिसे कहते हैं फ्राइटन। यहाँ पे से हेटर भी कह सकते हैं फ्राइटन, हेटर, ओके। देन हमारे पास लायो मीन्स फैट एंड फिलिक मीन्स लविंग, फिलिक मीन्स लविंग, ओके। देन लायो मीन्स अगेन, लायो मीन्स फैट एंड फोबिक मीन्स हेटर or frightened. So hydrophilic water loving, hydrophobic water hater, lyophilic fat lover, lyophobic fat hater. So what we will write, this is missile formation, okay, One tail you have to give out to explain the parts. Polar, hydrophobic head and lyophilic is same. Polar, hydrophobic head and lyophilic is same. Polar, hydrophilic head and lyophilic. Polar head, hydrophilic, lyophilic is same. Non-polar, tail, hydrophobic and lyophilic is same. ओके जो वाटर हीटर है वो फैट लवर है और जो वाटर लविंग है वो फैट हीटर है, अपोजिट है. एक्शन ऑफ सोप डन as we know light dissolve light dissolve like, that is polar compound are polar compounds are dissolve in polar compound and non-polar compound are dissolved in non-polar compound. Okay, the dirt is collected in the center of missile. डर्ट जो है वो कहाँ कलेक्ट हो जाती है? सेंटर ऑफ मिसल. मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट पॉइंट, द डर्ट इज कलेक्टेड इन सेंटर ऑफ मिसल. द डर्ट इज पुल्ड होता है खींचना, पुश होता है धकेलना. द डर्ट इज पुल्ड बाय, कुछ अमाउंट ऑफ डर्ट ये पुल कर लेगी, कुछ अमाउंट ऑफ डर्ट ये पुल कर लेगी, क्योंकि ये जो सारा टेल पार्ट है ना वो डर्ट को प्यार करता है और जिस चीज को हम प्यार करते हैं उसको अपने पास रखते हैं, उसको अपने पास बुलाते हैं. ये जो साबुन का टेल वाला हिस्सा ये डर्ट से क्या करता है? प्यार. ये सारे डर्ट में अपनी तरफ खींच लेते हैं. द डर्ट इज पुल्ड बाय lyophilic means fat loving. The dirt is pulled by lyophilic part or tail part or non-polar part or non-polar part of soap. Okay, the dirt is pulled by lyophilic part of soap toward itself. वो उसको अपनी तरफ खींच लेगी ड्यू टू आयन रिपल्शन. ये जो Na+ है एक दूसरे को धक्का मारेंगे ड्यू टू आयन रिपल्शन. Due to ion repulsion, dirt will not precipitate. Dirt will not precipitate again, and hence cloth get clean. जो आपका कपड़ा है वो क्या हो जाएगा? साफ. आपने इसको इस तरह से लिखना, when we dissolve a soap in a water they form unique orientation called micelle. Missile has two ends, head and tail. Head polar, हाइड्रोफिलिक, लायोफोबिक, एक ही बात है. हेड हाइड्रोफिलिक, पोलर, लायोफोबिक एक ही बात है. टेल नॉन पोलर, लायोफिलिक एंड हाइड्रोफोबिक एक ही बात है. The dirt is collected in center of missile. The dirt will be pulled by lyophilic part of soap. Lyophilic part of soap. Due to ion repulsion, dirt will not precipitate again. Hence, our floor get clean. This is most important part of this video. Polar, hydrophobic, head, lyophobic are same thing. Polar, hydrophilic, head and lyophobic is same. Hydrophobic, lyophilic, tail and non-polar is same. Hydro means water, philic means loving, phobic means hater, repellent, frightened. Tail, this is about hydro, water, philic, loving. Hydro, water, phobic, frightened, hater, repellent. Lyo means fat, again feelings, loving, and phobic means frightened, hater and repellent. You have a 20 to 30 seconds. Please write down this. Okay. Done. 20 seconds is done. One is soft water. One is soft water. The water which form leather, the water which form leather easily with soft solution, is called soft water. The water which form leather easily with soft solution is called soft water. Then we have hard water. The water which does not form leather easily. The water which does not form leather easily with soft solution. The water which does not form leather easily with soft solution is called hard water. इसे जो हम क्या बोलते हैं, hard water. Then but if it's not forming leather but it is forming scum. Okay, cause of hardness of water. cause of hardness of water. The water is hard. The water is hard due to the water is hard due to presence of chlorides, sulfates, due to presence of chlorides, sulfates and bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. So that is, if in water CaCl2 calcium chloride, MgCl2 magnesium chloride, CaSO4 calcium sulfate, MgSO4 magnesium sulfate, CHCO3 twice calcium bicarbonate, MgHCO3 magnesium bicarbonate. This is called calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium bicarbonate, then magnesium bicarbonate. Out of these 6, if anyone is present in water, water is hard. Please write down this. Then types of hardness of water. Types of hardness of water. Types of hardness of water. One is temporary hardness. One is temporary hardness and another is permanent hardness. Permanent hardness. Okay, one is temporary hardness and another is permanent hardness. Please write down this. Okay, then temporary hardness. Temporary hardness. This type of hardness is caused by due to presence of only bicarbonates. Due to presence of only bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. of calcium and magnesium, that is CaHCO3 twice और MgHCO3 twice. आज की वीडियो में हम लोग इतना ही करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड ऑलवेज बी पॉजिटिव.